Go.
Hello there. I am Professor Siegfried. I'm famous because you probably know me from the TV. I am famous for my soup, sometimes called radical notions on the natural death of natural.
Me, sir, but I'm a doctor. I got the job done today.
All right, of the natural animals and their natural habitat. See, this is a perfect example of my radical theory. No, don't touch it. Take a look at these large feathers and the puddiness. Don't pet him. Of the poor little fellow. And it has brought me to the conclusion that I've been trying to prove for quite some time now that this bird has recycled himself. How, may you ask, would a bird recycle himself? Well, that is still to be proved. So we will take him to the infirmary. Yes, and just to see how he has died. While I take care of the necessary procedures, my assistant, Macaronio, will
What's the bird?
speak to you.
What kind
Thank you very much.
What kind of bird is this? Beep, beep, beep.
Hello, I am Macaroni. Anyways,
Uh,
as you have seen, this poor bird, he has died and possibly recycled himself. And we do not know why, but of course we love the animals and we want them to live. And see, before I leave Italy, my mommy said, Macaroni, you need to make yourself something of yourself. You need to get a job on animals and the way they are. So I took a job with Professor here, and we have been figuring out things. So as you can see, Professor here is taking the necessary procedures of recycled birds, and I will tell you about it if I can. Professor,
Yes, sir.
what are you exactly doing?
What's this?
Sir, what's inside of this knife? What's inside of the knife?
Anyways, so Professor,
Well, we're done here. Get into the truck.
goodbye.